Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Anti-Gorgeous here with another video. As you guys can see by the title, we have a wig install, y'all, and I feel like this is my best install yet. If I must say myself, I'm gonna pat myself on the back. It's giving real like scalp, it's giving bust down middle part, it's giving. And I want to say happy new year. This is literally my first video of the year, and we starting off right, okay? I'm starting off the new year looking like a meal, okay? So if you guys want to see how I installed this wig and all the details about the wig, keep on watching the video. So starting off with the unboxing, they sent me the wig, and they also sent me this comb, and they sent this little bag full of goodies. It was so much stuff in here, y'all. They sent lashes that look pretty decent, some earrings. They also sent a little scrunchie that's satin, and like they sent me some Christmas nails, but I didn't feel like I needed to show y'all that. But this is the wig. This is their 22-inch body wave wig, and I'm just showing you guys how it looks straight out of the box. And it looks pretty good. The lace I was really impressed with, and of course it comes with those 4 standard combs in the inside and this elastic band that they sewed on, which is going to keep that wig nice and snug. Now the lace, look at the lace. I mean, look at the hairline. And this is like the next day. I ended up bleaching the knots, and I ended up hot combing the edges and just lightly going over with my flat iron. So this is how it looks. And I feel like when you see wigs like this, you know it's going to be a good install. So I have my wig cap on, and I already tinted it with my cream foundation. And of course you want to make sure that your edges are clean, so I'm using 90% alcohol. I'm showing you guys the lace before and after me putting the same cream foundation on. It's already looking good without any product. So that's what I'm about to do right now, is basically cut the ear tabs off and glue it down.
Your skin tastes like Brussels sprouts, I swear. Can't seem to remember your face.
I am going to be using this bowl hold glue, and I did about 3 layers. Now the way that I applied this glue is I didn't let the first layer dry. I just kept applying the glue. I actually learned that from Eric and Tay. So I'm just basically applying these layers, and then I'm just going to try to let it dry down as much as possible, and then I'm going to apply the wig. Now, when I'm applying the wig, I'm making sure that I'm putting my hairline right on that glue, because I don't want any excess glue above my hairline, because then you'll have to go back and clean it up. So make sure you set your hairline where you want it to be before pressing it down with the comb, because once you press it down, I mean, it's not the end of the world, but you want to make sure you just get it in the right spot. And then I'm just pressing that lace into the skin so everything just melts seamlessly.
Can't seem to remember your face.
So I wanted to go in with the Even Wonder spray so I can make sure that my lace lays down flat. been about 10 minutes. I actually ate breakfast and everything like that, and then came back and look at the lace, y'all. I was so impressed, and when I tell you I was so excited to finish this wig, I've never been this excited in my life. So I'm just now going to cut off the lace. I did go in between using this eyebrow razor, and then I used scissors too. And look at my son, y'all. He just had to be in my lap. I mean, can we just appreciate what I made? Like, look at him. He's perfect. Okay, but back to the hair. In order to do my baby hairs, I did use my hot comb, because the hot comb is basically going to mold your baby hairs in the direction that you want it to go. So I did that first.
Can't seem to remember your face.
So now that I have installed this wig, let's just get into the details. Of course, all of the details will be below in the description box, like always, just in case I forget to tell you guys anything. This is their 180 density frontal lace wig. It's glueless and it's pre-plucked. All I had to do was bleach the knots, but everything else was straight out the box. This wig is also 22 inches, and this is their body wave hair that I straightened. Now, let's talk about pros and cons real quick. This is a ready-to-wear wig. Now, I did bleach the knots, but that's something that you guys don't have to do at all, because when I pulled this hair out of the box, the hair, the lace, everything was like amazing. So you guys don't have to bleach the knots, but it was just a personal preference for me because I wanted to make sure that I could bleach the knots. Like I said, this is a ready to wear wig. All you guys have to do is kind of just place your liquid foundation in the inside. If you guys want to kind of get this look without bleaching, you guys can absolutely do that as well. When I first got the hair out of the box, it did have a wave to it, but I feel like it was more like a pre-made wave, if that makes sense, because once I washed the wig, it had a little wave. Once you wash the hair, it's not going to be as wavy as it was when you first got it. Unfortunately, the hair straightened really well. I really didn't put that much effort into making it flat, and it's flat, y'all. Like, it's flat. It just got so much movement. It just goes back to where you want it to go. I did use the bow hold glue in the what is it, the Eben Wonder Bond spray, and my wig is on, y'all. Another thing is, I was kind of skeptical about this wig being too small, but I just think that Luvme hair wigs are made to fit snug, so that if you didn't want to wear it with any type of adhesive spray or glue, you don't have to. You can basically just put it on, which I am going to try out one day. This is supposed to be a glueless wig anyway. I feel like this is a flawless install, and I love wig companies that kind of just give you a wig that you don't have to do that much work into. If you guys want to purchase this wig from Luvme Hair, again, that direct link is going to be in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you guys won't miss any more hair install videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy New Year, y'all.